Well, good afternoon. It's 1:45. Here's Morris. Morris, we're not letting you out. You're going to have surgery. You don't want nothing to happen to you. Yeah. You're a good boy. Lay down there. Lay down. Good boy. I got his potty box in the bath. There's the bathroom door. In there is these potty boxes in the bathtub because I don't want him making a mess. Anyway, watching a movie. But anyway, this is what my son brought me to eat. Lean Cuisine. Comfort herb roasted chicken. Y'all, see that picture? It looks delicious, don't it? I'm sorry, but this lean cuisine, I do not recommend it. I choked it down, and it's still got an aftertaste to it. I can't even describe the taste. It's awful. Anyway, just because it's lean doesn't mean that you gotta suffer how it tastes. Ugh. Protein 18 grams, calories 170, gluten free. It's got some kind of sauce on it, so I don't know what. They probably made it with cornstarch. Anyway, I don't recommend this one. Just want to let y'all know. Morris, he's calmed down on me yowling, trying to get out. You know, he lost his eye. I mean, he's blind in one eye. He's on antibiotics. But and my other cat, Gizmo, he's having to wear a cone on his face. And he's getting antibiotics too. Well, y'all, I'm just going to make this short so I can put out a video today. I don't go in the rest of the house because there's no air conditioning. Air conditioner over there. See? My son installed it. He framed it out in that big wood. He didn't want to cut down the wood anymore. Well, because I didn't want to hang a drape, and now I don't need a drape. It blocks. And it's the back of the house. Nobody lives back there, so you can't really see. But that's my day. Sitting here in a cool room. Anyway, I feel blessed I can at least do that. I can go next door and stay. But I'm too lazy to pack up and go. I have to really stay with the kitties. And my other kitty, he's in the closet. I don't know if you can see him, but that black spot right there, that's him. He's laying in the closet. Alright, that's it for this video, y'all. I know it's pretty lousy, but anyway, that's it. Goodbye. I hope y'all have a good day.